Hey guys, in this video I'm going to share with you how you can simply cancel the Higgsfield subscription. It's pretty straightforward and pretty easy on how you can do it. So all you're gonna do is that when you're gonna be in Higgsfield and you're gonna go to top right and you're gonna go view profile or manage account, click manage account, and on the workspace you're gonna have subscription, alright? And when you're gonna be on a subscription, you just wanna scroll down below and then you're gonna have the danger zone right here, and then you're gonna have right here cancel subscription. Your subscription is activated. I will just have a magnifier. Okay. Your subscription is active until January, and you're going to click here cancel subscription. So this is how you're going to do it and how is the process for the Higgsfield canceling subscription. So let me down below in the comments if it actually worked for you. So scroll down below and cancel subscription, and you got it. So thank you very much guys for watching, and have a great day and goodbye.